Alright, kind of windy. One of my favorite spots out here at the ranch. It's kind of low, but pulled some pretty decent fish out of here before, so let's hope we get a couple good ones. Oh my gosh! Watch this, it's weird, but sometimes I feel like you cast right at the sun, and that's when you get your hits. I know that makes no sense, but that is exactly what just happened. Look at that. First fish of the day on the buzzbait. Ah, my goodness. That is a beautiful fish. Wow. I called it. I cast right at the sun, and as soon as it hits the water, there's my first fish of the day. Let's get a weight on real quick. Okay, let's see. .79. Not bad. Definitely not bad for the first fish of the day. That's awesome. All right, let's get this baby back in the water. Lovely. That's funny. It's just the one. I mean, I could probably get something else on it, but I wasn't expecting a whole lot out of the buzzbait on a day like today anyways, this time of year. So I'm happy with it. I'm gonna go ahead and go with the lipless crank. The clutch. Cast towards the sun. Oh wow, my drag is Dunsky. I might lose this one just because of that fact alone. Oh, so far so good. Another good fish. Came out of nowhere. Okay. Look at that. Look at those red lips. It's no wonder they're going for the craw color. Nice fish. Maybe. Pretty good little hit. Probably not very big, but felt good. Oh yeah, I'm gonna ski him in. Still a decent fish. Look at that. Head first. It's always a good sign. Gotta get right up against that moss. Just close enough to bring him out of it. Let's give the spinnerbait a shot. All right. That's all right. Little baby. I'm trying to slow roll it down a little deeper. Let's see what's down there. Lost my crawl, so I'm just gonna cast a few more times and then I'm gonna move on to the next tank. All right, last cast here. Probably bad news because there's so much moss in there. Oh well. Oh, there's something. Probably not much, but there's just some little ones hanging out in the moss right there. Ooh, spit it. It's too bad. Alright, I lied. One more. Since there's apparently something over there. I was trying to get the moss off. There it was. That thing was covered in moss. Oh, come on. Alright. With that, on to the next one. Not a bad start. Nice. First cast out here on the buzz bait. Didn't even set the hook because it was such a weird hit. Nice. Saw that one, that was cool. Watch that weight come follow it. Oh, that was pretty sweet. Good fish. Nice fish. Oh, that was so cool. That dude came all the way out of the freaking water. That was cool. I missed him twice. Third time's a charm. Jeez, he wanted it though. That was cool. I didn't think he'd come back that third time. That's a good fish. Missed it on the first one, came back, got it on the second hit. God, the topwater bite has been so good today. I can't believe it. Oh yeah. That was sweet. Sweet. I love it. I love when the coyotes come out for the night. Gosh, that was a good fish. Man, you missed it. Come back, dude. Man, that was a good fish. Got him back. Yeah. Boy, if we can get these things to eat, this thing's got potential. They're so skinny. Oh, let's hope that changes. That was cool. Glad he came back. Missed. Come on. Shoot. Come back. That's a good fish. Stay on. Stay on for me. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Oh boy. That is a tank. Oh my gosh. You missed it. Very next cast got him to come back. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that fish. 5 pounds. Right on the dot. That is sweet. What a great fish. Man, that's nice. That was so cool. Catching right by the bank on the buzzbait. All right, let's get this baby back in the water. 5-pounder. Let's go get bigger. Another beauty. Oh my gosh. Wow. Was not expecting to get another one of these today. Oh my gosh. They look so similar. This one might be a tad smaller. I guess we'll find out. .09. Oh, yeah, about 5.1. Man, so identical to the last fish. That's crazy how similar they are. All right, 2 5-pounders in the last 30 minutes on 2 completely different baits. That's awesome. See ya. Well, that seems like as good a time as any to end the day. I cannot believe how insane this day was. Just incredible action on the buzzbait in this nice 65-degree Texas winter day. Some of my favorite types of days out here in the winter. Just so awesome. And 2 5-pounders within 30 minutes of each other. It was awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really just thought this would be just a kind of regular day, but I definitely come out here sometimes to shoot videos, and sometimes it doesn't really come out too much, but a day like today is definitely video worthy. I hope to have more days like this, and we'll definitely be posting more videos like it if it happens. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Have a good one. I will see you next time.